This is my end of year for 2018 film and art video blog, looking back at what's happening with my career. So, in art, I had an exhibition late in 2018 at a festival local to my state, and it was in a very prestigious venue, and it was a lot of hard work. The last time I had an exhibition was in 2008 for the Fringe Festival, which is a bit more expensive. I don't know how I got away with that. And that was, I was younger then. I was scared then. I didn't know what I know now, and now that I would know how to do I had to set it up for myself. I had to take it down by myself. I had to do most of the promotion by myself, and I think I went okay. Not as many people as I think attended, but it was at a very prestigious venue, a venue where there was also always traffic. There was always a cabaret or a comedy, and so my artwork had traffic, but it's very hard to judge these things. So what I did was create a guest book, and I had people to sign it, and many people did sign it. But it's really hard to tell, because it doesn't always equal the volume of the well wishes, the messages didn't always equal to how many people, it's really hard to tell. So it was really stressful, and I'm not sure if I would do it again. It was fun, and I knew what I was doing, and I felt like a professional this time around, but I don't know. I've been getting into music this year, particularly stringed instruments like a ukulele, acoustic guitar, electric guitar, and I've been playing that, and I will never ever go on one of those reality TV shows like The Voice or Idol or anything like that, because I think they're dumb. But I think it's really enjoyable. I enjoy playing for myself. I enjoy playing for others. Of course, it fell down. Why wouldn't it fall down? I only did, this year in 12 months, I only did a few volunteering / paid work for film, video-based stuff. Eternal Memorial, most definitely did a few video tutorials, worked on that for them. It was actually a lot of fun working with Eternal Memorial. It's such a good idea to have a digital record of someone's life, and you could access them using an app on the phone, and also with QR codes, scan it, and it'll bring up like a box with their life, and it was fun working on those videos. But other than that, I was asked to do several videos and take photos for various organizations throughout the year, but it never came to fruition. I contacted them saying, yes, I am willing to do this, willing to take video, willing to take photos for your event, your rally, whatever. and nothing ever came of it. Never heard anything back. And I can't do, I can't do business like that. You can't it's really hard to fulfill these things if they don't answer you back. On a side note, for the promotion for my posters for my exhibition, same sort of thing happened, but in reverse. I went up to them, I asked them for a quote, they said they'll come back to me, but they never come back to me. Too busy, eh? PCTV, the third season, debuted on C31 Melbourne and on 44 Adelaide. PCTV is the TV show that I work primarily on as a director, as an editor. It's slowly appearing on YouTube. We're going to have full episodes on YouTube quite soon, but season 3 was made and developed and was sent out to C31, and I'm really proud of that season. A lot of good, exciting episodes, a lot of interesting things that the hosts were talking about. It was great fun. As for YouTube, I've been doing a lot of tutorials. There's tutorials all year. I was planning to release some on curious.com, but I haven't had the time to. Mostly Skyrim Creation Kit, just helping people, because I like helping people. I think if I find something new, something people would like some help with, and so I make a tutorial on that, about textures, about the next scene fix, all sorts of other things about the creation kit, and a few Adobe specific ones. I'd made few of those, really, just a few Photoshop related ones. The After Effects tutorials I haven't had much time with, but that's it. The other big project was Big Bad Wolves, Royal Blood. It was a 20-minute short machinima film which I made, and I actually had help. I had help writing it. Two of my friends helped me write it. Also contacted a local songwriter to help out with the music, and I liked it, but I'm not sure if it went over well. I think for these types of things, it's better for a machinima to be like episodic based than a full movie. So I was kind of disappointed in that. But I think it's a really good movie and it's really fun. It's just the reception was a little bit lukewarm. Anyway, I really worked hard on that. Maybe next time. Maybe a bit too much off or maybe I had an inflated ego and I thought it was better than it was. Who knows? Just didn't quite grab attention. I had to formally shut down my business, my photography business. Also did a bunch of video. I would like to start up a business again in the future. I'm less scared as I was when I started, but it was I just don't think people cared that much. I just don't think people cared that much for the for my services. They just, people like to get who people they trust, who they know, and apparently they don't know me. And so no one was interested, so I shut it down. But they may return one day. And that comes to my conclusion for this year, 2018, in regards to film and art, that side of my career. Art, yes, I'm definitely an artist now. My exhibition was everywhere, quite frankly. But as for the video side of things, apart from the tutorials, there's nothing much. I've not made any short films this year for festivals or for open mic nights or for pleasure or for some sort of show reel to put on my resume for such a thing. No TV programs that I initiated, that I started, aside from PCTV. That was the only one. And no journalism stories. I had a few ideas for some, but I've never had the time. And so that brings me to a point that I haven't done any video, and I don't know what I feel about that. A part of me has given up. Why make video when it's not viable anymore? Why do it when no one ever gave me a chance? Why do it when I've got talent for it, but I don't have the connections? The people that I know, the connections that I've forged over these years, over this year, I don't think they cared that much about me or my work. And so I go to different interests like music. But it's kind of sad. I haven't done a single live action short this year. And I'm not sure how I feel about that. Not sad, not depressed, not angry. Definitely not happy. Just nothing. Because I don't want to end on a downer note, not for this video anyway. I would like to do a short film. Maybe something internet based. Maybe use a different way of, how do I put it? A different way of showing people my work other than Vimeo, YouTube, all those video sharing websites. And that there will be some journalism stuff, but I've got a few ideas for that. Even though it's much more easy to do video blogs. There's a few journalism stories I could tell. But other than that, I don't know what else to do. There's no film festivals I'm interested in. I mean, I would gladly help, paid of course, for video-based client work. But I don't know what to feel about it. So I guess next year, 2019, from my perspective, is I would like to do some more live action work. And maybe test the theory that people actually like and appreciate my work and want to share it and assist me, or let me assist them. Because I always like helping people. Always. Thank you for watching this video to its conclusion, to the very end. If you're a long-time supporter of my work, I thank you. If you're a long-time supporter of my YouTube channels, I thank you. I will try to keep a YouTube channel going. I might make some few changes around there, but I try to keep a video presence on the web anyway. It is, of course, a journey, not a destination. It's an art gallery. Thank you for watching. Merry New Year.